So the headlights went out on the BMW, the 428i, the passenger side headlight. So we're gonna try to change those real quick. We got these in today. These are from Fulcrum. These are actually from Amazon. They are a lot cheaper than the BMW lights. They're about, I think they're like 30, it was like 30 something dollars. I figure even if they don't last very long, it's super cheap. So inside the box, we got a pair of gloves to keep the headlights clean. We got a manual, and then we have the actual bulbs. These are, there's a box. These are D1S. And again, this is a 428i Grand Coupe 2016. First thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna start the car. And then we're gonna turn the wheel all the way to the left, because we're gonna change the passenger side. And then we're just gonna turn it off. All right, let's go outside and take a look. All right, so coming to the front end of the car, we have a panel. So it's this panel here. There are two clips that you need to push down in order to access this panel. Now, I've never done this before, but it looks pretty self-explanatory. So I'm gonna do that. All right, I decided to save the white pair for the actual bulb and use some black ones to take this thing off. The left side was a little bit difficult. I ended up not using a screwdriver, but using my hands to actually pull the tab down. That way you can actually feel it when it pops and then take it off. It was a lot easier that way. As for this, once you get it off, there's this little circle thing here. You basically then take those two tabs and you're gonna push it counterclockwise. All right, I guess when it doesn't feel like it's off, it is off, so. All right, so that is off. And there's your light here. So, looks like only thing we have here is, let me see. Where is the actual clip? Okay, looks like the light is there. Okay, so looks like that's the ballast there. And then right at the bottom, there's a little plug to pull out. I'm gonna see if I can do it with my hand. They're probably the wrong gloves. I should do this. I might need to switch to those white ones. All right, so it looks like there's a little actually pin on the front of that thing that you squeeze to pull this out. Once you squeeze it out, it's good. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna reach in. I'm gonna twist this. I think it probably goes to the left. Lefty, loosey, tighty, righty. Let's see. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna pull that out. It's a very tight fit with these gloves on. And there's a bulb. We've got it out. We're gonna put the other one in the same way. We're gonna put it in at an angle, twist to the right, and then set everything back. Before you put it in the new bulb, always compare it to the old one. Make sure the pins are exactly the same. I've already done that, but I'm just showing you this one. This is the Phillips. The other one is I got it from Amazon. It's 6000K. But either way, I've got the new one in. I put it in at an angle, and then I twisted it to the right until it clicked in place. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put this little piece back in. Just gonna put it up there. It's kind of hard to do this with the... All right, it's popped in. And actually what I should do is just start this and make sure it works before I close everything back up. But even if it doesn't, I mean, it doesn't really matter because the old one doesn't work anyway. So I'm just gonna close it anyway for the sake of this video. How do we get this thing in? Huh. Sometimes it's just way too easy and it doesn't seem like it should be that easy, right? All right, so last thing we got to do is put this little piece back in. I'm gonna tap it on the ground a little bit. So we're gonna put it in like that. Hopefully when you have to do this, it wasn't a rainy day and everything is nice and dry. Is that all the way in? Look, it's in down there, but it's not in up here. I didn't hear a snap or anything. I can't really tell if it's in. All right, I think we're good to go. Let's test it out. All right, so this one is on, and this one is not working as well. So we fixed the problem. Super fast, not hard at all. I'm debating if I should just go ahead and replace the other one at the same time, or wait until it blows. I think I'll just do it now, get it over with. But yeah, I mean, that's it. Pretty simple to change. That's it, guys. Super easy. Took just a few minutes to change. I did it, I think it was like 3 minutes, something like that. That's why I did it live in the video. I'm gonna do the other side, get that done, get it taken care of. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. And also, I will drop the link in the description to where I got these bulbs. They're 6000K, so it has a slight bluish tint. So I'm actually about to use them in like about an hour. So we'll see exactly how they work. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace. I always forget to mention this. I know other people do it at the beginning of the video, but please, if you like these videos, consider subscribing. All right, let me know you like them. Thank you.